Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set flashlight notifications for incoming calls in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to accessibility. Go to accessibility and go to advanced settings, and here select flash notification and turn on the button against camera flash notification and screen flash notification. Okay, now go to home screen. Now I make a call from another phone to check this. Okay, so here I go to phone option in my other phone and I make a call, and see here, screen is flashing while receiving the incoming call, and also see in the back side camera is also flashing. Okay, flashlight is turning on for this incoming call. So in this way you can easily turn on flashlight notifications for incoming calls in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.